So let's take a look at this door. It's not closed. It won't latch. Well, why is that? Well, let's take a look. In a door, you have three main components. You have the handle, you have the latch, and you have the strike plate. This is the strike plate right here. But what we notice on this door is that the latch is installed backwards. See this angle? It needs to go towards the door jamb. Well, just watch. See, so it won't go through the jamb. We won't close it. So we need to turn this piece of hardware around. When you install a piece of hardware, always make sure the latch is in the right direction.